We're a big fan of bird feeders. We're going to try out this North States Blue Cottage feeder. This is what it looks like in the box. Let's take it out of there and have a look. So this is a big one. Comes right out of the box. We've got a bottom section to it as well. That's everything that was in there. Bottom section fits on. Locks into place here. Oh, I guess it probably goes on this way. And then locks into place. There you go. Pretty cool. So you fill it up from the top, up through the chimney here, and then the bird seed comes out underneath the windows on the sides. It's got a nice strong cable to put it up with, and made in the USA. So it's from the Village collection. They make a larger one as well. This one is fairly sizable. Good place for the birds to hang out. Plenty of place for the bird seed to go. And this one's going to look so cool when the birds look like they're sitting at their little blue house here. Lots of great details. You can see the broom and the flower pot in the front there. Very cool. All right, hope that helps. And made in the USA.